Is Java still free? So we are going to answer that question in our talk today. So first, Java is still free, but there are some changes which you need to take note of. First, Oracle has decided to be releasing Java as Oracle JDK and change the release cycle to every 6 months. So unlike before where you had to wait for maybe 3 years, now it's every 6 months. So after release, in the next 6 months, we have another release with some new features. Now this is very good for the community as it allows us to get new features faster. For example, between Java 7 and 8, Java 8 brought a lot of cool changes and features such as lambda expressions, but we had to wait so long for that. Now with the new release train, which is every 6 months, that is quite awesome. Oracle wants to focus its energy on moving Java forward. Now, once Oracle releases or does a release, if you want long-term support, then you have to pay. Because every 6 months you have a new release, and Oracle will provide free support for a release for some months, and after, if you want further support, you will have to pay. Now this is logical and Oracle is not the first to do this. Moreover, you have to pay the developers. They actually have to eat. You know now. Now, like I said, updates will be provided for 6 months and they will be stopped upon the release of the next version. Now, if you're using the Oracle JDK and you want support for a longer duration or for production use, then you need to pay. But cool down, Java is still free. Now, for you to pay, you must be on Oracle JDK specifically. You know, the popular JDK is Oracle JDK, but that is not the only provider of JDK. You know, by default, when you want to start programming in Java, it's normally Oracle JDK you go for, but that's not the only one. Now, for the payments, for desktop is 2.5 US dollars. For servers is 25 US dollars. Now, or less means that if you're purchasing in bulk, it will give you like a 50% discount. I'm not saying that's what they're going to do, but I'm saying that you could get a discount for buying large plans. Now, if you don't want to use Oracle JDK, you could use OpenJDK builds. Now, if you're just a developer, this isn't going to affect you because you're most likely using Oracle JDK in a development and test environment. Let me repeat. For those who just learn Java, you don't use it in production environments. So you could download Oracle JDK and you won't have any issue. But if you're like in the workplace and you tend to use JDK in production environments and you do not wish to pay the amount as specified earlier, you could go for the OpenJDKs. You can download Oracle JDK, use it for free, but only in development and test environments. Now, concerning OpenJDK, some people see OpenJDK as a substandard or watered down Oracle JDK. But note this, as at Java 11, Oracle JDK could be interchanged with OpenJDK. In other words, OpenJDK and Oracle JDK actually have feature parity. That's also to say, Oracle's JDK in quotes isn't better than OpenJDK. So why should you pay for Oracle JDK? Here's how I see it. First, if you want first-class support from a vendor who you know has knowledge about the platform, then you could pay for it. But Oracle isn't the only one providing this. There are other providers of JDK builds. I'll link them in the description below. Below you'll see some good reads which you could read more about this topic. The main thing I needed to tell you here is that Java is still free. You can still use it for free. Most people that complain about it being paid are actually just using it in test and development environments. Well, I won't say most, but a lot. If you want to use Java for free in a production environment, you go for OpenJDK. That doesn't really affect you. If you found this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. Thank you.